Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add text on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, adding a text to the lock screen allows you to customize it with a message, contact info, or reminder that reflects your personality or current mood. This personal touch can make your device feel more unique and tailored to your preferences. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can scroll down until you find this option. So tap on it. Well, after that, here you can scroll a little bit and click Edit Lock Screen menu. Okay, and then tap Add Contact Information here. Next, enter your name here and then click Done option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add text to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.